Hi friends, welcome to Versus 2 words 3 minutes for our knowledge. Today's topic is NEFT versus RTGS. Both are used for money transfer. Have you noticed any differences? Not yet? Get into the topic. These are used for fund transfer from one bank account to the other bank account maintained by the Reserve Bank of India, and they are credit push system, meaning you can only credit others using these services. Based on value, speed, and the service availability, we have to decide whether NEFT or RTGS is to be used. Differences: National Electronic Fund Transfer is slow compared to real time gross settlement. As the name shows, RTGS happens in real time while NEFT happens in batches. Foreign transfer is not possible in RTGS, whereas in NEFT funds can be transferred only one way from India to Nepal only. Operation timings of NEFT are 24/7 365 days in half an hour interval. Previously, these used to be only 12 settlement slots. For RTGS, RBI settlement timings are from 7 am to 6 pm on all bank working days. There is no maximum limit for both these services. While there is no minimum limit for NEFT, RTGS has 2 lakhs as minimum limit for the fund to be get transferred. Shown are the capped charges by the Reserve Bank of India. The bank has to charge up to this maximum or below these values as shown. Both these services are free online. Do I need a bank account for the money transfer? For RTGS, yeah, needed. And for NEFT, up to 50,000 by showing ID card, you can send without a bank account. How much time for the account to get created? Maximum time for NEFT is 2 hours and for RTGS is half an hour after the batch settlement for NEFT. If not created within what time it's refunded? Within 2 hours after the batch settlement time and within half an hour in RTGS or before the RTGS closing hours. If not refunded, any penalty for lagging service? Yeah. RBI has approved 2% plus current repo rate for the delay. For the number of days delay, you will be getting 2% plus the current repo rate. If wrong account number is written, what will happen? Though you enter all the beneficiary details like IFSC code, branch, bank, beneficiary account number, beneficiary account name, the system doesn't check account name with the account number. So wrong account only gets created. Are there any special features? RTGS allows future value dated transactions up to 3 days in advance. Like the video? If you want more on NEFT versus RTGS working or NEFT versus RTGS versus IMPS, let us know. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you feel interesting, just give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share the knowledge, comment your valuable feedback. Bye bye.